Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to explore on how to issue a refund on eBay. Let's begin. Now, the first thing we need to do is to log into our account using your credentials. And if this is your first time here on eBay, you might want to click on create an account, wherein you can choose the type of account you wanted, be it personal, business, and all they're gonna do is provide your full legal name, email, and password. Or you can simplify the process by clicking the continue with Google, Facebook, and of course Apple. And once you have done that, you need to go to your seller's dashboard. Now, once you're here, all you're gonna do is go to the upper right corner of your dashboard and click on summary, and that will lead you to the dashboard right here. Now, if you see that option on the seller hub, wherein you can view all your orders, all you're gonna do is click on manage all orders. And then the list of orders you have made, let's say, for example, in the last 30 days or 90 days would definitely pop up here. It would automatically auto-populate. And then all you're gonna do is you have the option right here, if you can still follow. Now, once you click this box right here, you will see a drop down menu a little bit around here, and then all you're gonna do is search for send refund. Okay, and once you click on that, what will happen is, now once the refund was successful, you would see something like this one. All right, so basically you receive a refund from the seller because obviously you're the one who did that, or it's vice versa, the seller refunded something to your original payment method. All right, now there's also a way for you to refund on eBay, and that is you can also go to the mode of payment method that you use on your eBay transaction, because remember that you'll get an email confirming that the refund has been initiated, and another email once the refund is complete. Now, all I'm gonna do, say for example you've used your PayPal, go to the wallet, activity, and you can filter that activity in the last 80 days, and obviously you would see the transaction that was done on eBay. And all I'm gonna do, if you have that option with you, click on refund the payment. And if your buyer paid in a different currency than your payout currency, the payment will be converted to your payout currency, because again, the currency exchange rate will be captured at the time of sale and can be viewed in the order details. Now, that means this exchange rate will apply to the event of a refund, because buyers will always receive the refunds in the same currency they originally paid. And always, if you have doubts and more questions, just click on the help and contact here. And all I'm gonna do is search on refunding buyers. And that means depending on the situation, again, there are a number of ways a refund can be issued. And remember, as a seller, you can issue refunds through Seller Hub or My eBay, because sellers can also issue refund through a cancellation or a return request. It doesn't matter which method that you use, because from here eBay can issue a refund to your buyer as the result of an eBay money back guarantee case or a payment dispute. All right, so that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.